Namaste and welcome to my channel Creativity of Gayatri. Today I am going to show you how you can make different designs of Rakhi at home. So this is for Rakshabandan Special. So before going to start, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get all the instant notifications of my videos. So let's get started. Here I have taken a foam sheet, white color foam sheet, and here I am just attaching the stone. You can see here already I shared with you one of my Rakhi video. So the same pattern you have to do it. So here I am pasting the stones, different sets of stones, and this golden chain and this stone chain. Done one, and this is one more shape I am doing it. It's like bird shape. So here also the same stones and this golden chain I have taken, and by using glue I am just pasting it. So here I am just giving a outline by using this golden chain of this bird shape, and here also I have taken the foam shape. Just pasting all these stones. You can check here. Instead of stone, you can use any kundans also. Like this, I am just doing it. You need to paste all these stones one by one very carefully to make it a proper shape, and this way you need to complete it. This is the foam sheet which I have cut it into circular shape, and here I am pasting this stone, and now I am going to paste this golden chain, and rest I need to cut it. So after that I am just using some stones one by one. So you can check here. This is the green color stones which I am going to paste it one by one. First I am doing all the this shapes and designs. After that I'll make the threads at a time. So here I'm just doing 4 Rakhis, and I'm giving a pattern for each. So here you can see only just this designs I'm making. After that I'll just attach this thread. So this is one more design I'm just doing it. You can see here it's like mango shape kind of thing, and here I'm just doing this design pattern, and for giving proper shape I'm just attaching this chain, the stone chain, and I'll just make some designs inside by taking this stones, this different sets stones, and this way you need to do it. Because Rakshabandhan is coming, for that purpose I'm planning to do this one. I have already said so many patterns, Rakhi designs. If you want I can share with you the link so that you can view. In description box I will provide the link. so that you can check it. If you are interested, then you can check it over there. And this is the way you need to do. Whatever the designs you want, you can make it inside. So here I am making the designs inside of this form set. And this one also almost done. See, this is the 4 patterns I have done, and I am taking this orange and maroon color embroidery thread, and I am going to make some designs over it. This is for type of tying purpose. So after making designs, I'm just putting one threading one bead, and I'm going to paste one by one on this design patterns. So here you can check it, my Rakhi are almost done. So you can see here all the designs are different in the this thread also and this pattern also. So that's all for the video. I hope you guys will like it. If you like, then please don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Till then, bye bye.